Welcome back, my dear student. So in this lecture here, we're gonna actually put something here in the sidebar. And what we want to put in here is a login form. And I'm gonna show you how to do that with Code Igniter, right? It's a way to actually build a dynamic form. All right. We don't need to because we could do it statically, but most of you out there know how to build a form, right? And send some PHP code. But because this is a Code Igniter course, I want to do mostly everything with Code Igniter, all right, and show you some new scale. Those are separated from whatever else, from whatever other views you have. This is gonna be the user's views in here, all right, like login, register, and things like that. If we have any of those functionalities. So here I'm just gonna say this is gonna be the login form. I'm just gonna put a title here so when we load it we know that we are in the right view. So I'm gonna save it. So keep this in mind. In views, the users folder, a users folder, and then a login underscore view.php file. We're gonna go to main, and here we're just gonna say this load view. All right, and here all we have to do is just say users and the name of that view, login view. All right, let's come here and let's enter it, and as you can see it works. All right, so that is being loaded there. Perfect. So now that this is working, we got to start building our form. All right, so I don't want you to get lost here, so I'm gonna do a little recap here real quick. If you already know exactly what we're doing, go ahead and jump into the next lecture. All right, so as you can see here, I'm in home right now. All right, and in home I'm just loading in this main view. All right, I'm transferring this. We're loading everything automatically with index method, right? And then here I'm just sending in a string with a name, and if depending on what I want I could change it here. All right, because this string, this name here would be the name of the view that I want to currently load on this main.php page. All right, right here. Right now this main view variable is carrying out this string right here, home view. If I change it, it will load in another view if I have that name of the view right here. So that's what we're doing here, right? Don't get it too confused. It's not complicated. And then here I'm also loading in another view straight, all right, from the users folders, login view, and that's going to have a form. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next lecture. Thank you so much, and I'll see you then. Take care.